Today we're going to use the flash lifting technique. This technique can be used to gently lighten the hair and remove previous color. The mixing ratio is 1 scoop powder lightener, 1 ounce of honey almond shampoo, and 1 ounce of developer. You can customize this 1-to-1 ratio depending on how much hair your guest has. To start, I'll put squeezable base around our guest's hairline to protect her from any possible irritation. Next, we're going to apply our pre-chemical treatment. This will help even out the porosity of the hair during the chemical process, so you'll section the hair and apply evenly without oversaturating. Next, you'll apply your mixture to the hair. Be sure to fully saturate each section for even lifting. After processing, you're going to rinse out your mixture and go back in and apply your post-chemical infuser. This is going to instantly inject all vital nutrients that may have been lost from the hair during the chemical process. Today I'm going to use the semi-permanent fun colors. I'm going to mix some white paint and some purple rain together for that electric look. And we're going to do some swatches. This will always help you see the exact color that you'll be placing on the guest's hair. I'm using Magenta and Yellow Passion, and some just standalone magenta. Next, you're going to section the hair into 4 quadrants and apply your fun colors to dry hair. This will help make the application extremely neat. You'll need this especially when you're using multiple colors. The technique that I'm using today is called root shadowing. So what I'm doing is sectioning the hair and applying the purple rain only to the roots. You want to make sure that you're saturating really well. After that, I'm going to go in and apply my magenta and yellow passion mixture to the ends of the hair and just alternate throughout the section. After applying, you're going to place your guest under a warm dryer for 20 minutes. After your guest is done processing, you'll bring them back to the bowl and shampoo with our sulfate-free coconut milk shampoo and conditioner. This system is lightweight and it instantly softens, strengthens, and detangles the hair. It also has an anti-color fade protecting agent in it. After using our flash lifting technique and our coconut milk shampoo and conditioner, you guys can still see that she still has her natural curl pattern. She has a lot of shine, a lot of body, and a lot of volume. I also love that all our colors are infused with natural macadamia nut oil. It just keeps the hair so shiny and smooth throughout the entire process. And these colors are so amazing and vibrant. You are going to love them. And I just really appreciate you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoy it.